Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel where we talk about the latest trends in technology and their impact on our lives. In today's video, we will be discussing how artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare. As we all know, healthcare is one of the most important sectors in our society. It is responsible for taking care of our health and well-being. But with the increasing population and the rise in chronic diseases, the demand for healthcare services is also increasing rapidly. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the healthcare industry by providing faster, more accurate, and more efficient solutions. With hospitals continuously overcrowded and doctors always busy, AI is stepping up to assist in diagnosis, treatment, and even surgery. AI-powered robots are helping surgeons perform complex procedures with a higher level of precision, reducing risks associated with surgery, and enhancing patient outcomes. From augmenting physician workflows to improving patient care, AI is making a significant impact on healthcare. The future of healthcare looks brighter with the integration of AI, bringing in new possibilities and advancements to the field. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by analyzing medical images like MRI scans and X-rays. It allows doctors to detect diseases early on and provide effective treatment. AI's ability to process large amounts of data quickly and accurately is unmatched by human capacity. But that's not all. AI-powered virtual assistants are changing the game too. Patients can now receive personalized care and support from these digital assistants, which can answer queries, provide medication reminders, and even help with booking appointments. This innovative technology is reducing the workload of healthcare professionals and enhancing patient satisfaction. With AI, healthcare is becoming more efficient and accessible than ever before. So let's embrace the power of AI and revolutionize healthcare together. The world of AI is advancing leaps and bounds in the field of mental health support. Innovative chatbots programmed to provide emotional support to those struggling with anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues are revolutionizing the way we approach patient care. But that's not all. Wearable devices equipped with cutting-edge AI technology are now capable of real-time monitoring of a patient's vital signs, including heart rate, blood pressure, and more. These devices can even detect and alert doctors when a patient's condition is worsening, allowing for swift intervention and potentially saving lives. AI is making it possible to provide patients with the round-the-clock care they need, right from the comfort of their own homes. It's an exciting time to be alive. Revolutionizing healthcare. AI is making services more accessible, affordable, and efficient than ever before. Patients are reaping the benefits of improved outcomes, while healthcare professionals are experiencing reduced workloads. And it doesn't stop there. The innovation of autonomous ambulances, equipped with cutting-edge technology, is changing the game entirely. With the ability to analyze patient data in real time, these ambulances can provide appropriate treatment while en route to the hospital, without the need for human intervention. The future of healthcare is rapidly evolving, and AI is at the forefront, driving change and transforming the way we think about healthcare services. With such promising advancements, it's hard not to be excited about what's to come in the near future. Unlocking the potential of AI in healthcare is not without its challenges. The need for data privacy and security looms large, as vast amounts of data are essential to power these intelligent systems. Shielding this data from the malevolent gaze of cyber criminals is crucial to ensure the safety and well-being of patients. Another pressing concern is the ethical use of AI in healthcare. It's imperative to ensure that these systems don't discriminate against any particular group of people. Every patient deserves access to cutting-edge medical technology without bias. AI should also be transparent and explainable, so patients can confidently entrust their personal data to these systems. While the path ahead may not be easy, it's essential that we address these challenges head-on. By doing so, we can create a future where AI and healthcare work hand in hand to enhance patient outcomes, safeguard data privacy, and promote fairness and equality for all. Let's unlock the full potential of AI in healthcare by overcoming these hurdles and ushering in a brighter future. In conclusion, AI is transforming healthcare in many ways. It is improving patient outcomes, making healthcare services more accessible and affordable, and reducing the workload of healthcare professionals. However, it is important to address the challenges of data privacy and the ethical use of AI to ensure that these technologies are used for the greater good. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on the latest technology trends. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and we'll be happy to answer them. Remember to stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be discussing the future of AI in education. See you next time.